You're trying to download an app, but you've forgotten your Apple ID password. Don't panic. Here is how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. First up, swipe down on your home screen. Type Passwords and open the Native Passwords app. Authenticate with Face ID to unlock your secure vault. Tap All at the top, hit the search bar, and type Apple. Tap your specific account entry. Your hidden password is right here. Just tap to copy it. Next, third-party browsers act as separate vaults. Swipe down and open Chrome. Tap the three dots, swipe the bottom menu, and open Password Manager. Your iPhone requires Face ID again to reveal these saved credentials. Tap the search icon, type Apple, and select your account to unmask the password. Finally, the ultimate fallback. Open your Settings app, tap your name, select Sign In and Security, and hit Change Password. Your phone's standard unlock passcode acts as your security clearance. Enter it, and you can bypass the old one to create a brand new password immediately. Between these three built-in safety nets, you are never truly locked out.